Assalamu alaikum wa little dumplings. How we doing? You clicked on the video because you're concerned about your feet, yeah? I use this peeling mask that I got from ASOS. I will link it down in the description below. The foot mask is £8. I did take some notes because I have already tried the mask.
That's why I'm here now.
By the way, this is a disclaimer. If you don't like feet, you shouldn't be on this video. If you don't like toes, you shouldn't be on this video. Watch at your own discretion, and we're gonna jump straight into it. This foot mask is for 90 minutes, aka an hour and a half. I will put some footage here, but it's basically like a little sock boot. You have to cut along the dotted line and fasten it with like this weird little sticky tape to seal your foot into the boot. Now, I don't know about you guys, I am a size 8, so UK 8 in shoes, a European 42, and I'm flat footed. You'll see as well, I think one of my foot, I think maybe my right foot, because my right foot is a little bit larger than my left, my big toes pierced the seam. If anyone who is larger than the UK 8, they may struggle with this boot. So once I had that on for an hour and a half, bearing in mind I did put the mask on straight after I came out of the bath, so my feet were a little bit softer. You know when your skin starts to get a little bit wrinkly? That's when I put the mask on. One thing I did not do throughout this whole entire time was moisturize my feet.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'll link it down below. The information I found online mentioned that you shouldn't, because they already create a lot of moisture. 1 to 3 days, I did not see no changes or whatsoever, none at all, to the point where I just thought maybe it's not even working, like, you know, this mask from ASOS. Day 4, hey, I did not expect my feet to turn out the way they did. Like,
she wasn't ready.
My foot was peeling. My foot was peeling. Yeah, like, look at the clip. Look at this clip.
No. No.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if this is too much for you, but you clicked on the video. I'm just reminding you, okay? It looks weird because it looks painful. However, it was not painful at the slightest. All in all, it took like a 2-week period for my foot from start to finish to fully recover.
Don't put that on.
I know. Now my foot was never the same afterwards. Trust me, baby. So yeah, that was like day 4, day 5. I slept with socks on. I was walking around my house with socks. We've got carpet in our front room / living room. Comment down below if you say front room or living room. And I was just disgusted by the whole thing. We're still in lockdown at the moment in the UK, and we will be out of lockdown inshallah in 3 weeks. Well, that's when things will start opening up again. I did this foot mask whilst I was on my period. So it sounds really weird, but a Muslim woman cannot make salah, the obligated prayers, because she's exempt from it. During that time, I thought, yeah, it would be the perfect time to do my foot peeling, sitting there. Gone past my 7 days. My foot was still peeling. I had to ghusl, meaning shower, after my menses had finished. I put socks on straight afterwards. I did not know what my foot was going to show me, you know what I mean? When I took the socks off after my foot had dried, oh my good lord, no. Have a look at this clip, because it's pretty much like some ASMR, sick type of ASMR. It's not even sick as in, yeah, like Allah Mubarak. No, it's disgusting. It's actually disgusting. Like, I was shocked. I think you can even hear me say, ugh. My foot was really starting to peel. My foot was really starting to peel. Subhanallah. Fam, I don't even like butterflies, moths, none of them, yeah. I was acting like I was a caterpillar or a crustacean ready to, hey, yeah. Alhamdulillah. Oh, even just thinking about it is making me feel sick. I swear, no way. Ew. Best believe, yeah, them socks. Bin. The towel, gone. The floor, hoovered. I was not dealing with that. I mean, My husband was like so fascinated because he likes watching Dr. Pimple Popper. He's a weird man, honestly. I'm learning things about my husband that I've never known before, and we've been married for 4 years. So my foot was peeling a lot, and I would say the excessive shedding was from like day 7 to 12. On like day 12, day 13, the excessive shedding has stopped, and I noticed that by the heel of my foot, I'll show you in this clip, the ball of my toe, it was almost like a rough in texture, and you could see the outline of where the boot had reached onto my foot, like around the perimeter of my foot. I thought that was a little bit weird, but then again, my foot is on the larger side for the sock, so I just took like a foot file scrub, you know, like the one with the pumice, the brush, the cheese grater are sitting there around my feet, and my feet was so good. Will I do it again? Yes. I'm a sick woman, okay? I will do it again. We are about to go outside. I'm gonna give it another go. I think I'm gonna do it tonight, inshallah, and I will keep you guys updated in my stories. So if you're not following me already, follow me on Instagram here. And comment down below if you've ever tried this foot peeling mask. What was your experience? If you haven't, are you ready to shed? Look out for my Instagram reel as well. I think I will be posting an Instagram reel on this. I'll shock you on Instagram as well too. My name is iamtiamoesha. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one.